What up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Let me just get straight to it. You feel me? We're working on the Datsun truck today at 620. We already got started on a few more new things today, but for the most part, we're gonna just be installing headlights, finishing the carpet, and possibly putting the seats in. Nonetheless, I ain't trying to hold you guys or talk too much. I'm gonna just get straight to it. So here we go. White with the white, all white, off white. Can't go wrong. What do you guys think? It's a pretty easy process. I didn't really record the installation because there's a lot of videos on YouTube. It's really straightforward, plug and play. But we got these, I'm not sure what website it was, but they're pretty common headlights. Everybody puts them on like older cars with circular headlights. But if we get them on today, I'll go ahead and show you guys that. But look how they look. Let me know. What do you think? I don't know if I told you guys in another video, but we did get some seats from a CRV Honda. It's off of 99, I believe, but they're real mint, no rips, nothing. Those are just for now, you know. Later we'll probably get buggy seats, who knows, you know, that. And my man over here watching this this plate for the shifter, the gear shifter. Go ahead and get that installed today.
Crazy, it's original. Look at it.
Oh yeah, fellas, original from 72. 74.
Look at that. Paint's still like brand new.
Perfect, brand new.
Ooh, shit.
Hey, that's how you know they built these Nissans good, eh?
Yeah.
These Datsuns. Yes, sir.
You sanded and painted.
that's where that goes right there. As you can see, we already got most of the carpet laid out. We still gotta glue it down or whatnot, make it look better. And these are the holders for the seats. The boot for the shifter. Dope, can you look at that? This car's gonna look mint when it's done, fellas.
Hopefully it fits the original location with that.
So right now we're gonna go ahead and try and put these brackets in for the seats. See how the fitment is. It's gonna be a tight fit, but should work, should look just fine. And here are the seats we decided to go with. You know, not too crazy, you know, not too old. Just right though, you know, should fit in good, snug. Nice little seat. Temporary, just for now. Maybe he'll get some sparkle bucket seats in a bit later. We'll see. Had to make some custom arms brackets just so it could fit onto the brackets into the truck. Nothing too crazy. Let me know what you guys think about these seats. Are they cool? It is not a bad fitment, not a bad fitment. Dark gray with the black. Could possibly dye them later so we get a better match, but not bad, not bad. And let's zoom past one other day and we're here painting the dash. What we painting with, my boy?
Trying out this custom rugged black coat from the store.
You know, just to get a nice little texture on the dash, you know? So it don't look too flat. Should come out pretty good. It's looking pretty good. Wait till it dries. Will look nicer. Not bad, not bad. Anyways, guys, we're gonna let that dry off, and that's gonna wrap this one up. We're gonna go ahead and get that dash put in a different video. It's gotta dry up and whatnot, but same deal. Thank you guys for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. You guys know the deal. I'm gonna start uploading much more, so be tuned for that. And this truck should be up pretty soon if you guys just keep watching. Be patient with me. Be patient with me. Anyways, appreciate you guys for watching. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Thank you.